Hi, welcome to my blog, and today we will create some makeup, creamy makeup, I will say that, with the brand Charlotte Tilbury. I will show you everything, just creamy. Tell you honestly, I don't like creamy makeup. I love dry makeup because I'm 30 plus, but for you, we'll do it. First of all, first step of my makeup is just to take my hair away. It's in a very beautiful way. I do it in a very simple way. So I need my face open completely. The second thing, what will I do is I will use hand cream just to make my hands creamy. Primer. It's not primer, just a glow cream, Herborian, but I use it like a primer. I like it so much. On my face I have everything. I mean the skincare products, SPF, and here just I like it so much because I don't know, do you see that? But it's like on my face. Purple glow. I need to moisturize my lips. I use Dr. Marianna. It is a Japanese product for my lips. It's also important to protect everything, to make everything moisturized. The second step is foundation. I know that a lot of people use blenders, use some brushes, but I use my hands. Why? Because when I use blender, I know that a lot of makeup artists say that you should blend, make it tough, but then after that I have here I have smile wrinkles, not wrinkles, just a smile, I think lines, and after that when like I will have a serious face, I will have these lines from foundation. That is why I don't use blender. The same with the brush, it is the same in my case. That is why if you have these lines like extra big, deep, it's better not to use blender. But if you are 20 years old, 17, 13, 15, welcome. Blender is for you. I don't like it. Never liked blenders, but I have them. Why? Because marketing is about me. If I see something new, of course I buy it. I do like that, and a lot of makeup artists say, oh, it's not right. How can you do that? I'm not makeup artist. Here I have a blue spot after injection, Botox. That is why I need more a little bit. You cannot have darker face than your neck. I don't know, do you use that? But I do use that behind the jaw, in here, little bit, just not to see the difference in the color. Now, I don't like when my stuff is dotted. That is why I need to clean my hands. The next step, I'll put that. I will do the following thing. First thing, I will use this contouring, and after that I will use blush, and only after that I use concealer. The line of my jaw is here, just I have thin face. That is why I have contour very visible. But if I will highlight my jaw with the cream, it is with the cream, my face will be set and will go down. That is why I need to put line on the bound of my jaw to make it lifted. Little bit, one. Now not more, because I need to blend, to see, and after that to correct the situation. I use this brush, this Wops brand, little bit that, little bit, not make it longer, just little bit blend. It is because the light is, the color is dark. I ordered it online, didn't see that, and for me it's really dark color. So the foundation was the fourth natural shade, and this shade I don't know, it's not written here. There are two shades, lighter and darker. I use darker. From time to time I make a small smile for making my line of the jaw better. Okay, but also we have these lines, like the lower line, and for that I will do the following thing. I will use here, I will put 2 times 2 drops. Of course, to make my upper side of the face lifted, I will put here and here some spots and will blend them. Why I will put with my fingers? Because the color is so dark. That is why I do it with my fingers. You can, if you are a makeup artist, you can write down in the comments below what I do right, what I do wrong, what the shade, color will be better for me. I will read it everything gladly, and if I like your comment, of course I will do what do you recommend. I mean, not comment your recommendation, because like I have also my boundaries, and for people with boundaries for very important to follow not all the recommendations, but those recommendations that you think they are right. So some people say, I don't see the nose line, I love my nose, I do special exercises, and I think that I will create video which is dedicated to the face building. And that is why I like the shape of my nose. That is why I didn't make it so thin or something like that. Now we need blush, but blush is extra strong. That is why I'll put it on my hand. See? Again, I ordered it online, Dream Pop. It is called Dream Pop. And this is called Fair Medium. This is Fair Medium, and this is Dream Pop. Like it can be peachy, I know, something lighter, but Marianna used something unbelievable as usual. So I put little 3 spots, but I know that they will be so bright, and we will need to correct them, I think, as usual. How do I use the blush? I use the blush on this bone, higher, just upper than the contouring. But in this situation, we have fuck up. That is why we need to correct it. So I use a couple of spots here. Don't ask me, just I like it. So here we have situation when we need to do something. First of all, of course, we will blend, and then we will correct the situation. I know that this is for contouring, but I use it also for my eyes when I use that one. The operator just is waving like, you have red face. Don't be afraid, I'll correct everything. That is why I told you that. The concealer I will use after. I knew. I knew because the creams are not my friends. I use like in the, I think 80% of my situation of makeup, I use the dry, not creamy product. But the situation is following. We have this, what to do? We cannot use this brush because this brush will make our face red. First of all is concealer. Concealer I also use with my fingers. I know it's not right. No, I will use brush for a little bit, for a little line. But I know that it's not right. Here also I will use concealer because like it's too much. That is why concealer will help me to correct the situation now, and then I'll show you what do I usually use when I have creamy makeups and I have fuck ups with the blush. Today I wanted to use Charlotte Tilbury, but I have Armani, and I will show you the shade. It's perfect. It's creamy as well, but it's like very light, and to use it very easy. But I don't want easy ways, of course. And I know that like people who are not professional makeup artists, they see themselves in this video, because a lot of women do something, then have fuck up, and what to do. I show you what to do. I like very much concealer Charlotte Tilbury because it's like it covers the color. Now we have this following situation. Now we should do something. I don't know, can I do it like that? I will check. Do it paint? No, it's not paint anymore. You can use it. Then I again use the brush to blend it. And then we need to use, it's not end. Don't be afraid that I have a red face. Ha! And this is perfect product. This is Givenchy pressed powder, the second shade, but the issue is now Givenchy made a version of this pressed powder, but it has like highlighter inside and a glitter inside, and I don't like it because like when it's without glitter it's better. And now what we do after that, I'll do it constantly on my face, and red face turns not glowy, it covers very nice, like it blurs everything behind the jaw. I love it. I use it really every day because it covers all the situation. It helps to make the makeup better, to makes it natural. Okay, and after that I use eyeshadows, Charlotte Tilbury. Why did I use red, like deep pink here? Because like I have purple shadows. They well, there was glitters inside, that is why I use my finger. Next, what do we need? We need highlighter. And after powder, to use highlighter is the crazy situation. Why did I use powder? Because I used too much blush. That is why we will not use the highlighter Charlotte Tilbury, because if I use it on my cheeks, there was no reason to use the pressed powder. But I use it for not cheeks. I use it anywhere. I will use it anyway. I think Dior 004 Rose Gold Pearl, Pink Gold, Rose, and Golden Peach. So for my nose, a little bit. Next, I'll use Charlotte Tilbury. For the zone upper my lips. Oh, it's so beautiful. But if I could make normal blush, I would use Charlotte Tilbury, the highlighter here also. But the issue is, if you are 30 plus and you have watered face, it can be. First of all, it's very important to ask doctor about the reason. The second thing, maybe after some procedure, maybe some injections around your eye lines. So it's better not to use Charlotte Tilbury because like it will highlight your puffed places around your eyes. That is why it's better to use here and for your nose and for the bone upper your eyes. When you are just 20, 22, you have baby face, it's really good product for this area. So, and the following thing is a lipstick. I will use 2 shades. It's like Walk of No Shame and Peel of Talk. And also, I don't have pencil Charlotte Tilbury, that is why we will use Victoria Beckham. It's all the people, I think no, maybe not, because before I didn't know. We have the line of our lips, and we have biological line of our lips, which is a little bit higher than your colored line, I think you see. And we use this biological line for our pencil. I made the contour a little bit bigger and darker. First line was the pencil. The second line was the sides part of the pencil. And now we will use 2 lipsticks. The first one here, just to make lips not overloaded, because like a lot of lipsticks there have high pigmentation. Of course you can use brush, you can use your finger, but I do like that. See? And you have a little bit fluffy lips. And also, now we will use the situation, we will color our eyelashes and eyebrows. Also, I don't have mascara, Charlotte Tilbury, and I will use my Lancome Hypnose. This is my favorite one, and my recommendation, by the way, regarding the eyelashes and eyebrows, it works 100%, the serum for eyelashes, Revitalash, and for eyebrows as well, because like when I go to correct my form of my eyebrows, the eyebrow master says, "Oh, you have so fluffy eyebrows," and all the time she tries to pick some eyebrows from the inside line because they're so fluffy, and that is why I don't need any pencil, any special, I don't know, even a powder for eyebrows, just no need. And you will see my long eyelashes. It's also, I have not long, I have short eyelashes, had before, but after Revitalash I use it for 1 year, I see the result, and of course I will continue to use it. That is why I don't use artificial eyelash. And people who have allergy, I want to say that the production of Charlotte Tilbury is hypoallergenic. I'm person with the sensitive skin, with the allergy. Some very famous brands I cannot use because like after that I have fluffy eyes, not fluffy. In the comments below, write down what kind of makeups would you like to see. Maybe makeup for 30 plus, maybe wake up with a 10-minute makeup, or some brands that you want to see how to use and the production before buying it. Maybe you want to buy some brand but you're afraid of will it be okay, not okay for you. I can make this video, of course, for you, for my people. Here in the morning I used Sephora. You can see, just I think it's $20. The set for eyebrows. I use it one more time to show it. It like your eyebrows like after lamination, and on them I will use the shade Revitalash, soft brown. Maybe for you are interesting some words, Ukrainian, Russian, Bulgarian. Write in the comments below. I will pronounce them. They have very funny pronunciation. And I will use the setting spray for my makeup, Charlotte Tilbury. So, make my hair done. And I'm ready for my new working day, and I'll record the video for my another YouTube channel. And I'm so happy that you are with me in my blog. You can see a lot of information about clothes, traveling, food tasting, some makeups from the person who is not a makeup artist, but the person who loves my own life and who is ready to inspire others, because in another video I will share with you my story of my life, of my hard childhood, hard, tough times with the war, and how we lost everything, and now how do we build our new business. Ready to inspire, ready to help, and ready to make your life better.